So we are going to unscrew, disassemble the Transcend. Okay, it's a 1 terabyte made in Taiwan Transcend. I'm showing you how to disassemble this portable hard disk. First of all, I am removing the rubber protection. I've got some screws. Okay, this is a rubber protection. It's a very good protection. Okay, I will not open it because I have to put it back like this, so I'm keeping this like this. So let's unscrew this. Three screws there, and I can see that still it is stuck, and there is a warranty seal. If I open it, this seal will break automatically, and because I don't have any warranty right now, because it's already 2-3 years over, so I don't need to make any attention to the warranty. I don't need the warranty anymore because they are not giving me anyway. So let's try to open it. So I'm back now with some more toolkit, a scale and old credit card. Let's try to open it. Let's see what can I do with this. And I'm trying to put in this. Yes, I made a hole. You can see. Yes. Okay, you can see it's deassembling. Okay, thank you. And there we see some rubber for protection, and inside this is Samsung. Wow. This is a Transcend original 1 terabyte USB 3 portable hard disk, and inside there is a Samsung. You can see this is Samsung, and it says product of China, manufactured by StoreJet technology. Okay, so I don't know what's happening here. There's a StoreJet.com, and in Samsung brand, momentous, and many things. So let's try to open it. Okay, this thing, and this one, and this is a rubber, and there is nothing inside. I think I have to pull it back like this. This is a regular hard disk like we have on here, and it is stuck with this port. This is a USB, micro USB. It says it's Yes. So what I have to do is I open it, so then I can connect it to a computer, and you can use it on your laptop and other. And the screws, I have to keep it securely. There is only 2 screws there. I'm trying to open it. Number 1 is that. And the assembly is neat and clean, you know. It's very good. I'm putting it. I really like the technology here. It's good, you know. There's a button there. So let's see what I can do with this. I am putting it on a laptop, an old laptop, which the hard disk is very old. I will try to fit it on my old laptop. And I will try and see what can I do. First of all, I'm shutting down my laptop. I have to open this keyboard, because inside the keyboard there is the hard disk. And yes, you can insert it on any laptop. It's a SATA based hard disk, and also you can use this on if you have any extra old hard disks, you can use this and use it as a portable disk. So I'm ending this video here. Thank you for this. Thank you for watching. Actually, I am not prepared for this video, and I thought in the last time I thought filming it so that you can deassemble the USB 3 port. Thank you very much.